Are you looking for the fastest and easiest bread recipe? This recipe is not only fast, but also foolproof. Trust me, I used every single time that I don't have bread at home or when I feel lazy to prepare a complex recipe. You can use it as side dish for breakfast or just a snack, and it's delicious. Let me show you how easy it is. And watch until the end, because I will also give you other options to use this bread. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. 1 teaspoon of dried yeast. Set the yeast into a mixing bowl. 1/3 cup of lukewarm milk. Add it into the bowl. Whisk to mix them, something fast, and let the yeast activate for about 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt the butter using microwave. 30 seconds will be enough, then add it into the bowl. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add it to the bowl to start feeding the yeast. Mix everything a little bit. 1/4 cup of yogurt. Add the yogurt. And mix one more time. 1.5 cups of strong flour. Put the flour into the mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt. Add to the mix. And using a spatula, mix one last time. Cover the bowl using some plastic wrap. And let it rest 20 minutes at room temperature. Sprinkle a little flour on the table. Turn the dough out onto the surface and bring it together. Now you can begin stretching and kneading your dough. Just a couple of minutes. Turn it over until it forms a ball. And return it to the bowl to rest once more. Cover it again with plastic wrap. This time, you let it grow for 90 minutes. The dough will have doubled in size. Sprinkle a little flour on the table. Transfer the dough to the work surface. And shape it into a ball. Now divide it in half and form the balls again. Add a little flour to make it easier to work with. Remove the air from the inside using your fingertips and begin stretching the dough. You can use whatever technique you feel most comfortable with. This dough is so easy to work with that it doesn't require great skill. Just round it out. And if you feel more comfortable, use a rolling pin. Just a couple of times. We want the dough to remain plump and about 10 inches in diameter. For the cheese-filled naans, we will use 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Distribute the cheese evenly over the dough. Now begin folding the edges toward the center. Press lightly to seal the package and distribute the contents. To cook it, we will need a very hot pan, preferably cast iron, but I prefer to use stainless steel. 60 to 90 seconds per side will be enough. And your first naan is ready. But we have more options coming up. For the garlic version, you'll need 1 tablespoon of melted butter, which we use to brush our bread. 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped, to use on the base. 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander, which we will also sprinkle over the surface. The idea of this dish is to be quick and easy to prepare, but you can also use the oven to achieve a tandoori effect. For this option, you'll need a 460 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 70 seconds. Enjoy the aroma of garlic filling your kitchen. This dough is so easy and versatile, you can use it to make pizzas. Yes, you heard right. But probably my favorite option is to use it as a wrapper for making delicious shawarmas. Leave a comment to let us know what you've used it for. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like for more weekly videos. Thanks for watching.